Hey YouTube, let's play this song "Devil in His Youth" by Protomartyr. This is E flat, A flat. Tune your guitar to this. D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. They're playing this guitar's in tuned 1/2 step down to E flat. And the what I call the verse and the playthrough is this. B, B. And the second time, but the first time I played G sharp minor. Then the second time we play this chord. I think that's a like a augmented chord, or maybe like a mi-mu chord, but it's not important as long as you put your fingers like this. You know it's a G sharp chord, right? And they play this this way every time I'm going to the G sharp. This is what I'm playing up until I tell you I'm not playing it. All right, so it's B, G sharp minor. And what I was playing, like, to the G sharp the second time, then it goes to E. It stays on E for like 3 bars or something. It stays on there quite a while. And that's where they're playing that riff. Something like that. But I didn't play that because I was just playing the chords. You could try to get it with your pinky. It's something like that. But it's not important. I'm just kind of like giving you like how to play it and sing it. How I would play it and sing it if I was the only guitar. Okay, and then it goes back to the B, and it repeats that verse maybe like 6 times. Plays it quite a few times. All right. The final time it goes to that, and I call this the bridge section in the demo. It goes C sharp minor. The first part of the bridge is then it goes down to G sharp minor. This is where now we're playing a regular G sharp minor. And then we play that, so that's 1 bar of G sharp minor. We play 1 bar of this funky G sharp chord. And then we go back to the C sharp minor. This way, now you bend. It goes to E to end it. All right, so C sharp minor, F sharp major, C sharp minor, B flat minor 7, G sharp minor, G sharp funky chord, C sharp minor. Stays on that for a couple of bars. And the E, of course, it stays on. Devil in his youth. Now we go to the outro part. So we're coming out of the bridge. On E, we go to B. B major. Make you feel the way I So we go to F sharp major and we come back to B. Go back to F sharp major. And now we go to E. It is you. And it repeats. B, F sharp major, B, F sharp major, E, and it just repeats a number of times. And then the final time when we come out of the E, instead of going to B, they go to, this is the G sharp minor. So we play that in the beginning and then in the middle, in the bridge, and then we play it once at the very end of the song. All right, cool song. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun playing that.